Hi everyone. In today's session, we'll discuss about creating a connections. So in Informatica pipeline or when we create a jobs, at that time we require a source connection and then target connections, right? So whether it's a flat file connection or whether it's a database connection. So Informatica provides multiple connections. So in our jobs, based on our requirement, we need to create connections, right? So where we can create a connection. So in data integration, you already know we create a pipeline and then jobs we are creating it, right? So connections, for that you need to click on administrator. Okay, so Informatica will take you to administrator portal where we have options to create a connection. So we'll show it to you. So it's a trial account, so it's taking bit time. So in the list you can see here connections. You need to click on connection. So I have already created one flat file connection, right? So to create a new connection you need to click on new. Okay, you need to give name. So for based on your requirement you can provide a name. I will give a temp connection. Okay, and then you can provide a description related to this particular connection. So here you can see list of type, what type of connection you want to create. So here flat file connection, FTP, STP, MS Access, MySQL, ODBC, Oracle. So here multiple connections were available. So it's a trial account, because of that reason we were seeing only few connections which enabled for a trial account. So now we'll take flat file connection. Okay, in the flat file connection you need to provide path. Okay, so here you need to provide the path of your local directory or wherever you want to place a file or you want to read a file, right? So that directory path you need to provide, and then code page based on your region you can select. So that is not that is here it is mandatory one. So 1 minute. So we are selecting it. Directory we need to provide the date format. By default it will select code page. You can select UTF-8. Okay, so that is based on your region, you can select that. So and directory you need to mention, and then you need to click on test connection. Let me show you to you the connection which I have already created. Okay, so edit connection, I will click on it. So you can see it here, filtering data, flat file I have selected, and then I have selected the runtime environment also, and then the directory path I have provided. Okay, and then Windows Latin I have used it. You can use UTF-8 also. Okay, so that is based on condition you can use, based on region, based on what type of data you are fetching. Okay, based on that you need to select that code page and then click on test connection. So it will show it to you whether this connection is valid or not, whether you can use it or not. Okay, so but here you need to provide a valid folder path. Okay, so here you can see the test for this connection was successful. So now onwards we can use this particular connection to create a file in the target location or to read it from this particular folder location. Okay, please test it from your end and then let me know for any questions. Thank you.